days ago, OpenAI put out a notification to say that ChatGPT is launching on Chrome extension. Does ChatGPT intend to actually compete with Google on their own product? So today we're going to be exploring how do you get ChatGPT to be your search engine. So the first thing that you need to do is go straight to OpenAI site, openai.com/index/introducing ChatGPT search. So when you are here, the next thing that you need to do is come to download Chrome extension. It takes you to the Chrome web store and you're going to see ChatGPT search. It has already been downloaded by 100,000 users, merely 3 days of launch. So once you do that, click on add to Chrome. You get a pop-up that says add ChatGPT search. So I'm going to click on add extension. It's going to download and it will install the extension by itself. So when you click on new tab and you make a search, I'm just going to search what is ChatGPT. So it's taking me to ChatGPT, and it means that whenever I want to search anything on my Google Chrome, it takes me to ChatGPT. If ChatGPT gives you all the results you need, what about the links? So you can actually ask ChatGPT to provide you links to all the information that it provided you above. Let's assume that you no longer want to use ChatGPT as your search. Just stick to this video a bit. I'm going to show you how you can undo it. If you don't want this, you can actually go to your Chrome extension icon here, look for ChatGPT. So you have an option to remove the extension if you want to. Go to manage extensions, look for ChatGPT and open it up. Come here, automatically allow access to the following site. So I'm going to switch this off and go back and search again and say, what is ChatGPT? Yeah, so it takes me back to Google. So let me know if this video helps, and please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button for more ChatGPT content as more updates hit the platform.